In Year 5, the majority of children start the year by using the FACES method that they were taught in Year 4. Those that become more confident, and the majority of the class, probably mid-spring term, will start to use a method we call the chunking method. It's very similar to FACES, but it isn't split up as much into those 3 individual FACES that we had in the other method. So for example, if we had the calculation 196 divided by 6. We start off by putting our 196 into our column, and we then say to the children, right, how many chunks of 6, or how many lots of 6 can we take from 196 to get to as close to 196 as we can? If they know the times table facts and they're clued up with those, they will think, right, I know that 3 times 6 is 18, so I could do 30 lots of 6, and we ask them to put that next to the calculation and put a little multiplication symbol there so they know they're doing 30 lots of 6, and then add that into a circle. We then do that calculation, so 30 lots of 6 would give us 180, again making sure our place value columns are all lined up, and then we do that as a subtraction. 6 take away 0 is 6, 90 take away 80 gives us 10, and then 100 take away 100 is nothing, so we don't write anything into that column. Again, our new target number now is 16, so they've got to sort of think to themselves, right, what can I multiply by 6 to get as close to 16 as I can without going over? A bit like the Price is Right. So we might think of doing 2. So if I do 2 lots of 6, we know that 2 lots of 6 are 12, and we then take that away. So again, starting from units, we know 6 take away 2 is 4, 10 take away 10 is nothing, so we leave the tens column blank. We then say to the children, right, well, how many lots of 6 can I now do to get to 4? And they should sort of realise there that you can't do that because 4 is a lower number than 6. So this becomes their remainder. Their answer are the digits that are on the right hand side here. So they join them up just like if it was partitioned. We know we've got 30 and 2 is 32, and that goes up here into our calculation. And because there's 4 left over, that becomes a remainder of 4.